Hey everyone, it's Tom Fanelli. I'm going to give you a really quick but very powerful tip on how you can improve your WordPress database performance very easily with the help of ChatGPT. Now, this is not a novice level video, so you have to be comfortable with making config file changes in PHP, but we're going to make it as easy as we possibly can. If you're running MariaDB or MySQL on most hosting providers, they will give you PHP MyAdmin, which is what we're looking at here. In the status section, there is an advisor tab in the top here. This will give you the advisor system. This system monitors your database performance over a period of time and will give you feedback and performance recommendations in these little tiles that you can open in this accordion view. Go into each one of these, copy and paste them into a document. You will get about, 5 or so pages of information. Take that information and just copy it and paste it into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, this is my MariaDB database advisor changes. Please list all the recommended config changes. It will take all of this raw data and start to make sense of it and spit out for you what specifically needs to change in your configuration. All right. This is going to really help you simplify that feedback that's in the advisor settings. Then what you do is go into variables. This is all of your current config file variables. All right. And so for your database, this is where you, in PHP MyAdmin, where you will access this. Just click and drag. There's going to be a lot of this. Click and drag. Come back here and say, this is my current config. Compare the config variables and tell me which ones exactly need to change. And after you paste all this information into ChatGPT, it's going to spit out for you every variable in your config that needs to change. And it will actually write for you, partially at least, the config file. It's going to tell you here, this new value is based on your system capabilities and some other guidance here on what you should set these at. But you can just ask ChatGPT, based on everything you've seen, what should I set the query cache limit to? You can even put in your specific hosting server specifications here and tell it, this is what my server is. Can you spit out a recommended value for me? And it will do it. Then you have to go back into either PHP MyAdmin or your actual config file and make these changes and restart your database, most likely. But this makes short work of what typically is hours of tedious combing through config files and all of that stuff. I did this in under 5 minutes with just copying and pasting from PHP MyAdmin. I hope that helps and look forward to your feedback. Thanks, everyone.